Good morning children. Welcome to the world of Hindi. See, in previous class we learned Barakhadi. We learned Varnamala, Matraएं and Barakhadi. Barakhadi some only I finished. Then see, now today I am going to explain how to pronounce a Barakhadi. What are the sounds of that? Means that day also I explained Varnamala. In Varnamala, how many parts are there? No, different parts, and how we divided into that, and what are the uses of that swar, vyanjan, what we are doing with that one all. I already explained in previous classes. Then afterwards, Barakhadi also, means Matraएं and Barakhadi also I explained. Some only I finished. Remaining I am going to complete today. But see, today I am going to explain swar letters. How much length, how many seconds we have to say, and how many seconds short vowel and long vowel how we have to say. Some hasva swar and dirgha swars are there. See, hasva swar means see a, e, u, ru. These are hasva swar. Hasva swar means short vowel. These are short vowels. These short vowels we are saying for 1 second only. See, for 1 second only. A, e, u, ru. Up to here these are hasva swar. Hasva swar means short vowels. A, e, u, ru. Remaining all dirgha swar. Dirgha swar means ru, see, a, e, u, a, I. These all dirgha swar. Dirgha swar means long vowels. I told you that A to Aha letters are Swarakshar letters. These swar can't be pronounced with we can't pronounce without the perfection. See, A, E, U, A, I. These are long vowels. These are saying for 4 seconds. We can say up to 4 seconds. See, this is for 1 second only. A, E, U, Ru. These are long vowels, I told you, know. A, E, U, A, I. Why I am explaining this all hasva swar and dirgha swar? Why I am saying then? Because while you pronounce means when you are practicing that Barakhadi, that letter and particular symbol when you write, how many seconds you must have to say, and how many length, how much time you are taking to say that swar and symbol. That's why I am explaining them. Understand? Then now, by knowing this short and long vowel, how much time we are taking to pronounce the Barakhadi. See, short vowel and long vowel. We learn now. Now remember in your mind. Then now we are writing the Barakhadi. See, in previous class I explained up to cha Barakhadi. Now next cha. Cha over. Cha after what is the letter? Cha. Remember that some long short vowels and long vowels are there, no? With that we learn the symbols also. Same, the symbol sound is same along with them. How much time we are taking to pronounce the short vowel and long vowel, we have to put in the practice of this Barakhadi also. See, cha. Everywhere cha. I told you that cha, and the cha after we have to add a symbol of a. See, this is called a short vowel. In this one short vowel we have to add cha. How many seconds? Only 1 second I told you. No? Cha. Here a ki matra is there. A means that is a long vowel. How much time we are taking to say? 4 seconds. No? Cha. Cha a ki matra. Cha. Then next cha. Choti e ki matra means always it is coming before the letter. See, it is coming before this symbol is coming before the letter. We are adding here. Now how much time we have to take to pronounce this letter and symbol cha and e? I told you now, short vowel, long vowel, that one you have to keep in your mind. Okay, that always you have to remember that. E, choti e, cha or choti e. Cha and choti e means short vowel. This is how many seconds we have to say? Only for 1 second. Chi. Okay. The next cha, badi e ki matra. Chi. This is a long vowel. See, here short vowel, long vowel, short vowel, long vowel. Those symbols we are adding and we are saying the sound of that. We are saying the pronunciation of that particular letter and symbol. Both. How many seconds? 4 seconds. Up to we have to say up to 4 seconds. Chi, cha, badi e ki matra, chi. Then next cha, u ki matra, choti u. Choti u. How many? U is a short vowel. Chu. Okay, for 1 second only. Then next cha, u ki matra. U means long vowel. It is up to 4 seconds. Chu. Then next, this is also for 1 second. I told you no, short and long vowel. Remember always that. Shru. Okay. Then next, remaining all long vowels. Cha, e ki matra, che. Everywhere, how many vowels and how many vowels are there? 13. No. In that 13, how to pronounce that sound and symbol we already learned. Then that symbol and letter, particular letter and symbol is important. You must have to say the symbol and the letter both. You must have to mix and have to say that one. Okay. For 1 second and for 4 seconds. Remember this always then. Remember that. Cha, I ki matra. Chai. 4 seconds up to. Cha, o ki matra. Cho. Then cha, au ki matra. Chau. Cha, am ki matra. Cha, aha ki matra. See here children, how many types are there in this one? You must have to see the letter also, letter and symbol. See, cha, we are writing a particular barakhadi of cha. Cha barakhadi, we are adding the symbol of a to aha letter symbols we are adding. A to aha, what are they? They are the swar. How to pronounce that? We must have to say some letters only. A, e, u, ru. These are the short vowels. How many seconds we are taking? For 1 second only we are saying that. Then remaining all long vowels. Dirgha swar, harsa swar, dirgha swar. See, one is a short vowel, one is a long vowel. We must have to keep in our mind and we must have to pronounce this all with the letter and the symbol. See, cha, cha a ki matra cha, cha choti e ki matra chi, cha badi e ki matra chi, cha u ki matra chu, cha u ki matra chu, cha ru ki matra chru, cha e ki matra che, cha ai ki matra chai, छा ओ की मात्रा छो, छा औ की मात्रा छौ, छा अम की मात्रा छम, छा आहा की मात्रा छहा. After this, what is the letter? Next, ja. See how we have to write the ja. Ja letter is very easy. First write this one, give the dash, small, then add 1. No? While writing this all, you must have to keep in your mind where you have to give the header and how much length you are taking the header, and how we are pronouncing that letter and symbol. This all you must have to keep in your mind and must have to practice. Okay? While writing, you must have to say the letter, symbol and sound, then practice it. It will come compulsory. Then ja a ki matra ja, short vowel and long vowel. Remember this. Ja छोटी ई की मात्रा जी, जा बड़ी ई की मात्रा जी, जा ऊ की मात्रा जू, जा ऊ की मात्रा जू, जा रू की मात्रा ज्रू, जा ए की मात्रा जे, जा आई की मात्रा जय, जा ओ की मात्रा जो, जा औ की मात्रा जौ, जा अम की मात्रा जम, जा आहा की मात्रा जहा. See, letter and symbol same, letter only changing, symbol doesn't change, and sound how it is going to change behalf of letter, particular letter. What is the letter given there, with that letter and symbol, that pronunciation you must have to say together then. Okay, that will you can learn very easy. While writing, practice and read and write. Ja after what is the letter next? Jha. See, jha. Jha is very easy to write. First write like E, then give a small hyphen, then add 1. Very easy that one. Jha a ki matra jha. Remember that, short vowel and long vowel. Jha छोटी ई की मात्रा झी, झा बड़ी ई की मात्रा झी, झा ऊ की मात्रा झू, सॉरी, झा ऊ की मात्रा झू, झा रू की मात्रा झ्रू, झा ए की मात्रा झे, झा आई की मात्रा झई, झा ओ की मात्रा झो, झा औ की मात्रा झौ, झा अम की मात्रा झम, झा आहा की मात्रा झहा. See, letter and symbol compulsory. These are important. Why these are important? To pronounce a word. When we are reading a word, when we see a word in your textbook or anywhere, that how we are reading, how we have to read, what is the pronunciation of that, what is the pronunciation of that, how you are going to learn. You must have to learn first the letters, what are the letters and symbols, and afterwards the barakhadi. If you learn this all the barakhadi, then you can read a word very easily. Okay, it is using as we are going to read a word, particular word or a sentence. Okay, then afterwards, after this next letter I am going to explain. Then children, by seeing it won't come. You must have to put in the practice also. While seeing this, you have to see and practice, then only it will come, otherwise it won't come. Okay? If you learn one barakadi, remaining all same, only letter will change and pronunciation will change. Symbol and that sound can't change them. Okay? Okay. After this, jha after ta barakadi. Ta, same letter and same symbols. Only pronunciation of ta is changing. Only ta, ta, ti means letter and symbol. Ta, choti e ki matra, ti. Choti e ki matra always coming before the letter. Ta, badi e ki matra, ti. Badi e ki matra after the letter. Ta, u ki matra downwards. Tu. Ta, u ki matra, tu. Ta, ru ki matra, true. टा ए की मात्रा टे. टा आई की मात्रा टाई. टा ओ की मात्रा टो. टा औ की मात्रा टौ. टा अम की मात्रा टम. टा अहा की मात्रा तहा. Okay? Letter. What it was changed? Only letter and symbol is same. Only letter is changed. And another form I will say that how to explain, how to write a symbol and a letter. See, once we have to remember the matra. Everywhere matra is coming now. Only I am writing here matra. See, then I will explain the barakadi of that. See, ta means ta after what is the letter? Tha. A did not have, means a short vowel. I told you know. Then a did not have, that is a short vowel. A did not have any symbol. Then I am leaving that. Then a ki matra, starting from a ki matra. Then choti e ki matra, badi e ki matra, u ki matra, u ki matra. Then ru की मात्रा, ए की मात्रा, then आई की मात्रा, then ओ की मात्रा, औ की मात्रा, then I am writing here am की मात्रा, then aha की मात्रा. Easy way to write a barakadi. This is one step, this is another one. See, tha. Okay, full circle we are not giving. Everywhere you must have to, which barakadi you are writing, you must have to attach the ta. Okay, then it will become tha barakadi. Easy, see, tha. Okay, tha a ki matra, tha. Then while writing here, I said choti e ki matra always be left. Where you have to write? Means next to this symbol. Okay, are you seeing this? Choti e ki matra. I am just touching the ta letter only. No, here again ta. See, tha badi e ki matra. Then here also same. See. You have to touch the symbol compulsory. Tha, tha u की मात्रा. Then here also same. Tha ru ki matra true. Now here what we have to do? See, था ए की मात्रा थे, था आई की मात्रा थई, था ओ की मात्रा ठो, था ओ की मात्रा ठौ, था अम की मात्रा ठम, था आहा की मात्रा ठहा. Children, what did I done now? See, only I add a letter to that one. How I gave this all the letters to this symbols? Only when we write these symbols, no? After that you must have to know that where and how we are touching the letter. It will become a barakadi. Easy steps by knowing that. Only we add a letter only. What I do? What did I do? Only I add a letter to the symbol. It will become a barakadi. See, only I add a tha letter. Which letter you are writing? Which letter you are going to add? That barakadi will continue there. See, e ki matra. You must have to remember these steps while writing this. Choti e ki matra always be left. Badi e ki matra always be right. Right side of the letter. Choti e ki matra left side of the letter. Means long short vowel, long vowel. Remember this. Okay. Then u ki matra. When I written, I touch this one. This one it is down towards the letter. Then you must have to remember this. Tha, tharu ki matra true. Okay. Then next, here these are coming upside. That's why I joined here. Then no. Then next do these letters o and au. After the letters it will come. Then it is on the head only. Am ki matra on the head. Then tha, aha ki matra. Here next to do this one. Okay. Always be remember this all and keep in your mind and practice practice on the paper for 2 times. First write R to aha letters and 1 time symbols you can write and post to your concerned class group. Thank you, children.